Okay, so after playing with my daughter, here are some variations. Obviously, you can play with the old school matching game, but those are for the older kids, so I recommend that for older. The other one is you could leave them all facing up and just have them match. Find the pairs. That was still a little too complicated for my 2-year-old. So what I did was I laid them all out, one set rather. And then the second set I held on to and then gave her one at a time to then find, and that was the appropriate one for her age. So depending on how old your kid is, you could play a different variation of the game and also work on just expressing themselves with emotions and celebrating Easter. So cute. Okay, Bella, find this bunny. Find this one. Find the silly face bunny. There he is, silly face bunny. Can you make a silly face? Good job. Bunny, find the sleepy bunny. There he is, good job. Can you make a sleepy face? Good job.